you for your purchase of Dash Toys Transformer Deluxe Swing Car. The swing car that moves forward by turning the steering wheel left and right. Dash Transformer Swing Car comes with heavy-duty wheel stand and beautiful bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. This exciting product assembled by using these parts. You also need screwdriver and 6-point wrench tool or hex key. First, insert the rear wheels into the car body and lock the wheels in place by using provided screws. Next, insert the provided 2 AA batteries on the back of the steering wheel and 9-watt battery in the car body to activate bright LED lights and lively music. Now, guide the steering wheel rod through the body and attach the front wheel by using provided bearing nut and washer using the wrench tool or hex key. Make sure the LED part of the steering wheel should face forward and align with the small front wheel. And now for the finishing touch. Insert the backrest to the back end of the car body. The swing car is now ready for use. Dash Toy, Dash Ride, Kids Pride.